Hello, and welcome to the Dippin Dot's how-to video for installing a skirt kit on a hybrid cart. First, let's take a look at some of the things we'll need. Our kit's going to include two small rails that are meant for the side of the cart, a long rail that's meant for the front of the cart, and in order to install it, we'll need a small screwdriver, preferably a short one like this. Starting out, we'll have to loosen all of the screws on the bottom of the cart. There are 4 located on the front, as well as 2 for each side, so there will be 8 in total. You don't have to take the screws all the way out, just back them out about 1/4 of an inch so the skirt kit can slide onto them. Now that the screws are out, we can slide on the skirts. Line the notches in the skirt up with the screws on the cart, and then pull forward on the skirt. Once our skirt's aligned, we're going to use our short Phillips head screwdriver to tighten each screw, using another hand to pull out on the skirt. We'll then repeat this process for each screw on the skirt on the front of the cart. It's very important to note here that the front skirt must be installed first, followed by the 2 side skirts in either order. Now that our front skirt is installed, we can install our side skirts. We're going to do this the same way by going through the process of lining the notches of the skirt up with the screws on the bottom of the cart. Once the notches are lined up, we're going to again tighten our screws with one hand while we pull out on the skirt with the other. We'll repeat this process with both sides of the cart, although this video will only show one. Once all the screws are tightened, you can see we have a beautifully skirted cart. Thank you very much for watching.